Welcome to Adaptivids guide on how to make money from non-fungible tokens, a fascinating and evolving landscape at the intersection of art, technology, and finance. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have captured the world's attention, offering creators, investors, and enthusiasts unprecedented opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of non-fungible tokens, how they work, and most importantly, how you can leverage them to generate income. Whether you're an artist seeking a new platform for your creations, or an investor looking to explore this dynamic market, join us on this journey into the world of non-fungible tokens and discover the potential it holds. Always approach the NFT market with a well-informed and strategic mindset. As the industry evolves, staying adaptable and continuously learning will contribute to your success. Here's how you can make money with non-fungible tokens. Number 1. Create and sell non-fungible tokens. If you are an artist, musician, writer, or any content creator, you can tokenize your work as non-fungible tokens and sell them on various NFT marketplaces. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable allow you to create and list your non-fungible tokens for sale. Identify your target audience and create content that resonates with them. It could be digital art, music, virtual real estate, or any other digital asset. Number 2. Invest in non-fungible tokens. Understand market trends, evaluate the uniqueness of non-fungible tokens, and research the creators or projects behind them. Consider historical sales data and community engagement to make informed investment decisions. Spread your investments across different types of non-fungible tokens to reduce risk. Diversification helps you navigate market fluctuations and decreases the impact of poor-performing assets. Regularly update yourself on the latest news and developments in the NFT space. Being aware of market sentiment and emerging trends is crucial for successful NFT investment. Number 3. Trading non-fungible tokens. Similar to cryptocurrency trading, you can buy and sell non-fungible tokens on various marketplaces to capitalize on price fluctuations. Some traders engage in short-term or long-term strategies depending on market trends. Learn and apply basic technical analysis principles, such as chart patterns, trends, and support resistance levels. Technical analysis can aid in making informed trading decisions and timing your trades. Successful trading often requires patience. Wait for favorable market conditions and consider both short-term and long-term trading strategies based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Number 4. Participate in NFT drops and auctions. Many artists and projects release limited edition trading non-fungible tokens through drops or auctions. Participating in these events can allow you to acquire valuable non-fungible tokens that may appreciate. Determine a budget for participating in drops and auctions. Some events can be highly competitive, so having a predetermined budget ensures responsible and calculated involvement. Number 5. Collaborate with brands and influencers. Connect with brands, artists, and influencers in your niche. Networking can lead to collaboration opportunities and joint ventures within the NFT space. When proposing collaborations, ensure you provide a unique value proposition. Brands and influencers are more likely to engage in partnerships that align with their goals and values. Number 6. Develop NFT-related services. Provide advice on NFT strategies, market trends, and investment opportunities. Share your expertise to assist individuals and businesses in navigating the complexities of the NFT space. Assist creators in promoting their non-fungible tokens through strategic marketing campaigns. Effective marketing can significantly impact the visibility and success of NFT projects. Offer technical assistance for minting, listing, and managing non-fungible tokens on various platforms. As the non-fungible token space grows, there will be an increasing demand for technical expertise. It's important to note that while there are opportunities to make money with non-fungible tokens, the market can be speculative and prices can be volatile. Additionally, the NFT space is still relatively new, and trends can change rapidly. Always do thorough research and consider the risks before getting involved in any NFT-related activities. We conclude this guide. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the world of non-fungible tokens and how Adaptivids can help you navigate this exciting space. Whether you're considering creating and selling non-fungible tokens, investing in unique digital assets, or offering NFT-related services, the key lies in staying informed, embracing creativity, and adapting to the ever-evolving nature of the NFT ecosystem. Remember, the NFT space is diverse and continually evolving, offering endless possibilities for those who are ready to explore. As you embark on your NFT journey with Adaptivids, May it be filled with innovation, success, and a vibrant connection. With the dynamic world of non-fungible tokens,